All right, this is the easiest self-help video. Anybody can do this. We're gonna be replacing the cabin air filter. You're supposed to replace it once a year. I haven't done this in like 2.5 years, so I'm late. So the cabin air filter that I'm gonna use is what's called MicroGard. I got this at O'Reilly's. It's fairly inexpensive. This was only about $29 with tax and all that included. First, unlatch the hood. And the cabin air filter right here. So get these prongs, push up, pull out, boom. All right. But there's 2 directional arrows, just pull them up. Boom, that's it. Then here's the old one. Let's see how nasty it looks. Here's the old one. This thing is worn out. I could have went to Mopar, but it's not worth 7 paychecks. All right. So here's a new one. And here's the old one. All right, let's put the new one in. Before you do that, make sure there isn't any trash in there. If there is any type of trash, just take it out. Looks like this one's clean. All right, let's close it up. And you're done. So if you have any odors in your car after you turn on the air conditioning, it's probably because this thing has to be replaced. Just go to O'Reilly's. I estimated it to be around 29 bucks, but it came up to be 27.05. 5-second job, anybody can do it. So let's close up shop. You're done. Close everything up. That's it, 5 seconds, you're done.